Part 1. Admin Dashboard and Settings, 0 to 154, 0 to 005. Welcome to Laundro, the premium laundry operations hub. Let's log into the platform using the Admin Dashboard. 005 to 013. The Admin Control Center gives you an instant, bird's-eye view of your entire business. Here, you can monitor total orders, monthly revenue, active customer sign-ups, and active staff in real time. 013 to 020. Navigating to the Orders section lets you track every single transaction, view processing statuses, and easily create a new order directly from the panel. 020 to 033. Under Product Management, you can seamlessly manage your core offerings, set service variations, edit product pricing, and configure promotional coupons. 033 to 043. The Customers tab displays comprehensive profiles, tracking lifetime orders and total spending for every user to keep your client relations strong. 043 to 105. Laundro also simplifies team coordination. You can monitor performance, track task efficiency, and view dynamic metrics for your managers, washers, and delivery agents all in one place. 105 to 117. The financial module tracks available balances, pending revenues, and split payment methods. Meanwhile, the Inventory Management section proactively monitors your supply stock and sends immediate alerts for low items. 117 to 129. Customers can be placed on tailored subscription plans. If any issues arise, the built-in support desk tracks, prioritizes, and resolves customer resolution tickets efficiently. 129 to 154. Advanced Business Intelligence and Reporting offer deep analytical charts on service trends and staff leaderboards, while the comprehensive settings page keeps your system secure and up to date. Part 2. Manager Interface, 154 end, 154 to 203. Next, let's seamlessly log out and switch over to the Manager Command Center. 203 end. The Manager view is completely optimized for live daily operations. It streamlines order queues, features quick Kanban boards, and offers a real-time status tracker for all active orders, ensuring your laundry workflow runs perfectly from intake to final delivery. Elevate your laundry business today with Laundro.